Now let's proceed to the assignments for Module 4, Maps of India. So here is the assignments, which will get you familiar with all the maps we discussed earlier. First, we're gonna download an existing trail of Siddharghat Fort in wikilog.com. So let's go there. Let's search for Siddharghat. You might have to log in first. You can do that with your existing Google or Facebook ID. To download the trail, voila, here it is shown. Any of the Siddharghat forts in this one is fine. Go to the file option and you just download the standards here, download. It will download a GPX file. Next, you go to your own Google map, which you created in module 3, the previous module. You create a new layer and you import this GPX file which you downloaded. You can just drag and drop it here or open it in the file browser. It's gonna load this trail, voila. So in addition to the one previous exercise, we now have a second trail here from somebody else loaded, which we can now view in both the contour view as well as the satellite view. So you take a screenshot of both views. You can zoom in a little also, and you will clearly see details here like the water tanks on top of the fort, etc. So you take screenshot of both these views. You do the same in Google Earth. Google Earth also you can file open the same GPX file, start point GPX, open it, and you can view again the same trail in 3D on Google Earth. So it's going to import it with a 90-degree view. Again, as discussed in the exercise, you can lower your point of view. You can rotate it and voila, lower the point of view to look at a 3D view of the same trail now in Google Earth on top of Siddharghat Fort. After that, we will again look at Siddharghat Fort through the American Map Service. So you go to this website and you download sheet number NE4302 from the overall India map there. After that, you open the map and you locate Siddharghat Fort. Here you'll actually have the entire Deccan Ridge here, all the way from Bhima Shankar at the base to here we have the Bandardara Reservoir, I believe. Sorry, yeah, here is the Bandardara Reservoir with, voila, here it is with Alan Madang Kulang. Go further down, we have Ratanghat. We come further down, you can follow the Deccan Ridge to Harishchandraghat. Finally, come a little bit more down here, we will have Siddharghat Fort again. And then further down, we have Bhima Shankar. So that's that one. Then you also download the corresponding map for Survey of India from this website. You'll have to log in here with your Aadhaar card details and download sheet number E43B12. There again, after downloading, you will be able to see the corresponding map of Siddharghat Fort in the top left corner. Just have a close detail here and check out the various terrain details of this map. So after that, we'll check out some other maps. For that, we'll look at the Indrahar Pass. So to OpenStreetMaps, again, you can search for Indrahar Pass. There we go. Here it is. We already discussed it earlier in this module. So in this case, again, you can log in with your Facebook or Google account, and in this case, download, export this section of the map, which will basically export the trail of Indrahar Pass in an OSM format. This we can convert using gpsvisualizer.com to a standard GPX file. So when we open this, we can choose the GPX option here to convert it, which will generate a standard GPS data format. Here it is. So you can save it. Save link as say Indrahar. There you go. And once that is done, we again can import this new trail in our Google map. So again, we can add one more layer here and import the Indrahar pass into it. Simply drag and drop. We can look at the contour view, which will be more meaningful in the mountains. There we go. So now we end up in Himachal Pradesh near Dharmasala, and here, voila, we have the Indrahar Pass beautifully displayed. There we go. Rakesh Cave, and a little bit higher here, Chutiwatamala, and the Indrahar Pass. So view in the terrain view, view in the satellite view, both the views, take a screenshot. Wherever you see an asterisk here, take a screenshot basically. After taking screenshots of all these, right, all print screen, you can save this, you can save it locally. So map number 7, whatever, you save all this. After that, you create a public album in Google Photos where you can submit all the map views to demonstrate that you have gone through all of this. So this is module number 4, maps of India. Voila, there we go. We can add photos, select from computer, and we can add in like the various screenshots you have taken for all the numbered assignments. After uploading all these screenshots in the map, you make sure to make it a public map by going to the options, sharing it, voila, copying the link, and then finally you go to ultrajourneys.org to the 4th assignment, where again you can submit along with your email ID, you can submit the link to this public album with all the screenshots to finalize your assignment. That's all. Congrats on finishing the module Maps of India.